Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech Impact. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of creator's account cannot be switched on Instagram. First, let me show you this problem and also show how to fix it. Open your Instagram application and tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Then click on this three lines, tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and click on Account. Click here as you can see. This is the issue I will be addressing. Now go back to your profile page, click on the three lines, select Settings and Privacy, click on Creator Tools and Control. Tap on Switch Account, select Switch to Personal Account. Refresh page and repeat step. Now click here and we have successfully switched this Instagram account to a private account. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.